Hi everybody, I'm going to teach you guys how to log into your online textbook because today's lesson is in the digital format. So first, what I need you to do is to open, I'm in the Edmodo post right now, but open a new tab in your browser and go to Cobb K12.org, our main website. From the parent drop-down menu, you'll see Office 365 sign-in. All right, now you're going to use your login, which is your first name dot your last name at students.cobbk12.org. If you don't know any of that information, then you can click here and it'll send you to a video all about how to log in. Okay, but we're not going to go to that right now. So I'm going to go ahead and log myself in. All right, and once the screen accepts you, you can just leave this alone. You don't have to do anything else with it. Go back to our Edmodo post. All right, and from here, it should, once you click on this digital lesson, it should, I'm not promising that it will, but it should take you straight to the lesson. All right, what if it doesn't? All right, if it does not, then it will take you to a screen that looks like this. And let me show you what screen it could take you to. Not this. This is just me accessing your textbook, so hang on just a second. All right, so it is possible that it will take you to this website or this page. It's the same website. And so from this page, you may or may not come straight to the science textbook. You may actually need to click on a drop-down menu over here, and the drop-down menu might have several different grade levels. It might have several different types of textbooks, but what you would need to look for is this HMH Georgia Science Grade 7. Okay, once you're in this, then you're going to click the assignment section. All right, but give me a second. I've got to make sure I'm in the right section to be able to have this work. All right, so you would click on the assignment section, and then you would see an assignment called Classification of Living Things assigned to you. You would click on this and then get started. Okay? All right, now you'll go through all the website, all the different pages. Please be sure you listen and read everything. Click on things, make sure you're learning about all the different ways things are classified. And then type your answers into this website, because what'll happen is it'll automatically save it and send it to me. So then I'll be able to see all your answers. So you won't actually be turning anything in to Edmodo today. All right. If you feel the need to do so that you don't have something that says late, go ahead. You're more than welcome to just say lesson completed. Okay. But that's all you would need to do from the Edmodo standpoint. All right, the rest of it will be done here through this website. All right, if you have any questions, please feel free to message me on Edmodo. I hope you have fun with this. I think it's pretty interesting. I'm glad that I've learned how to do this because I think it's a really nice way to add to the textbook. Anyway, you guys have a great day. Talk to you later. Bye.